New video for y'all. Herk just dropped a video saying you can use Claude to build a one-man team, 6 figures. It's 25 minutes. I'm going to summarize it because I already watched it in 3 minutes. Here we go. Okay, guys, like I said, Herk just dropped a video claiming you can build a one-person team to 6 figures. I'm going to give you a very raw video in 3 minutes and just summarize this 25 minutes. Here's what's actually useful about the video, and here's just refurbished Claude Code nonsense that most people just talk about. Look, so his whole framing in the video is don't call yourself an AI builder. Call yourself an AI partner. Builders sell features, partners sell outcomes, and businesses pay more for those outcomes, not features, right? That's just positioning 101, but it's not wrong at all. He scaled an agency to 100K a month and exited, so he's not talking completely out of his ass, obviously. He has some skin in the game. Now we're gonna skip to a part that I actually really like about what he said. He says every automation you build for a client has to fall into one of 3 buckets. Let me pull something up. You either get more customers, make each customer worth more, or cut cost. If your build doesn't map to one of these buckets, you can't prove ROI and you won't get paid for it as well. That's genuinely useful right there. I built stuff before that felt cool and had no bucket to fall in, and yeah, nobody cared at all, and it just fell and I wasted a bunch of time. So realize that, understand it for the next time you're building something for a client or you're preaching to a client about a proposal or offer that you have. Now we're going to talk about his service ladder, how he likes to service his packages, right? And I like this part of the video because I like talking money and prices and how people structure their offers. He has educational consulting at $100 to $500 per hour, right? Then a paid audit, then a project after that. That's his whole flow. Then a retainer, obviously, after the audit. The idea is that you don't skip to pitching a 5K retainer with zero trust built, right? That's not how you scale and get customers. Most beginners try to skip straight to the top ring and then wonder why nobody's replying to their cold DM or why they can't get no deal. That's real, and that's a mistake that most people in this agency AI space are obviously making. Now let's talk about the recycled advice he talks about. There's a chunk that's just recycled advice. Warm outreach beats cold outreach. Like we've heard that plenty of times. Build in public, don't niche down until you've found 5 real conversations. Like true, but if you've watched more than 2 of these AI business videos, you've heard this exact same thing. Nothing new. Everybody says this. Now here's one thing I'll actually give him, which is his 4 blanks rule. Basically, before you build anything for a client, what bucket, what metric, and what's the baseline? What is the 60-day target? If you can't fill those in, you don't have a project. You have a demo that basically just dies. And he backs it up with stats. He says that 87% of AI pilots never make it through to production, right? That's a real discipline, and that's like a real actual fact, because I know most people who are in the space don't know what they're doing. So now, is this a good blueprint or just a well-produced pitch for his community? I think honestly it could be a little bit of both, right? The buckets, the 4 blank rule that he talks about, there's something I'm probably actually going to take and steal, and but the rest of the stuff is probably things you've already heard of, refurbished jargon of Claude Code and AI automation, right? But if you're brand new to AI automation, this is genuinely a good 25-minute investment to make and watch the video, right? But if you've already had about a client or 2, you can just skip to the pricing section and kind of see how he prices his offers. But other than that, that's a summary of the videos, and hopefully his video or my video gives you some insights about what's going on in the AI automation space. As well, if you want me to actually try the 4 blank framework live on a real automation build, let me know in the comments and I'll do a follow-up. Subscribe if you want the breakdown, and I'll kind of just show you exactly how that works.